MMP Industries Ltd, an aluminium products manufacturer. The company was incorporated in the year 1973 and got listed on NSE in 2018. They are based in Nagpur with more than 950 employees. They have 3 manufacturing plants located in Bhandara, Hingna, and Umred, with a production capacity of 48,500 metric tons per annum. There are plans to add additional 1,800 metric tons per annum by fiscal year 2025. Company has partnered with Circlips and Engineering and Toyal MMP India and holds 26% stakes in both companies. The market cap of the company is 687 crore rupees and currently trading at 271 rupees per share. The company has a 36% CAGR for 3-year sales growth and 22% CAGR for 3-year profit growth. Company manufactures aluminium powder, aluminium foils, and aluminium conductors and cables. About 69% of the revenue is generated from aluminium powder, 18% from aluminium foils, and 12% from conductors and cables. These products are used in diverse industries for various applications. About 34% of the revenue is generated from explosives application, 32% from concrete, 13% from pesticide, 4% from fireworks, 4% from master batch, and 13% from atomized powder. The company is showcasing strong financial records. There is a small drop in profits due to recent capital expenditures. There has been no drop in the promoters' holding in the last 4 quarters. We can see some foreign and domestic investments in the company. The company is giving good dividends every year. The last dividend of 1 rupee per share was paid in August 2023. Some clients of the company are Sun Pharma, Hetero Drugs, Aurobindo Pharma, Ultratech Cement, Shree Cement, National Industries Company, Indian Ordnance Factories, Toyal Group, Superex, and more. Coming to some key highlights. In 2023, company received commercial order from Aurobindo Pharma and Sun Pharma. In 2016, company partnered with Toyo Aluminium KK, Japan for aluminium pastes business. They also have technical collaboration with AVL Metal Powders, Belgium. Company owns 100 acres land bank, out of which 50 acres is available for future expansion. There are plans to increase production capacity at Umred plant by 1800 metric tons per annum. For fiscal year 2025, company maintains overall revenue growth of 20% to 22%. They export to countries from Europe, Middle East, and Africa, with a revenue concentration of 3% from exports and 97% from domestic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. See you next time.